Hi guys, as you can see by the title, I am making and actually halfway finished with a real-life Goofy Goober guitar. Now, what I'm making this out of is an extremely old, beat-up guitar that I just found out in like a storage unit. That was all old and beat up and the neck was coming off. So I've restored it and now I'm turning it into a real life Goofy Goober guitar. It's actually halfway finished. And it looks pretty good right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how far I've gotten. Here, my dude. This, my dude, is my Goofy Goober guitar so far. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so beautiful. Look at it. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the overlaps. So, to actually paint out the entire guitar, with it already having a finished paint over it, I put on a spray paint because I didn't use the spray paint. My dad did because that would be like illegal. But anyways, I use spray paint to spray paint the guitar. There's a little volume knob. I actually stole it off of a toy Spider-Man guitar. As you can see here, I've hand painted the neck. I've also hand painted these little darker colored squares. If you can't already tell, this is supposed to, in the the movie, look like a peanut. So I put the same squares and the same coloring where it all was from a screenshotted image that I found. The two Ds, which is basically the biggest part of the guitar, I'm already done with. I hand carved it, then I hand painted it. Well, I didn't hand carve it. Like, I drew it onto wood and then cut it out. Nothing's actually hand carved on this. Unless the person who first made it hand carved it. I don't know. So you can see what I have left to do is put on strings, which is obvious. I have to put on the little white things that makes it all like fancy, kind of like a guitar that Pink Floyd might have used, like kind of fancy, but also supposed to show like an aesthetic kind of art. Well, yeah. I'm not putting on the big white piece on the bottom because I'm too short to have that on it. I'm not gonna put it on until I'm tall enough. Here's the back of it. You've never seen the back of the Goofy Goober guitar? I haven't. No, I don't think that anyone has in the movie because it's only been in the movie. I don't know, but I'm not going to do anything to it except for the same color as the front. And as far as hand painting onto the guitar goes, I'm done with that. We're just gonna back away and show you. Well, of course that's only going to be part one. I was too lazy to film myself actually doing all of that stuff, but I will show you me doing the rest of it in part 2, which I don't know, it might come out, well, since this is Saturday, wait until tomorrow and then wait next week. Well, it might even come out this week if you're watching this tomorrow on the day that it came out. I don't know, this is making no sense. But that's my Goofy Goober guitar so far. I hope you'll like it whenever it's finally done.